Hello again, it's Damson, the physics spaniel. There are three types of thermal energy transfer. Radiation we've already done, so today let's talk about the other two, conduction and convection. Remember the particles in a solid are locked into a fixed shape. Well, because the particles can't move around, when you heat one of them, it vibrates around, bumping into its neighbours. As it bumps into them, it passes on its energy. One by one, all the atoms gain energy and pass it on to the atom next to them. Anything that is good at passing energy through it like this is called a conductor. Anything which is bad is called an insulator. The best conductors are the same as the worst insulators. Metals are really good conductors because the electrons around the atoms are free to move between the atoms. This means they can quickly and easily carry heat from one place to another. Some of the best conductors are copper, silver, and gold. They're also great because they're shiny and expensive. Convection is very different. When gases and liquids heat up, they expand because the particles inside them move around more, taking up more space. When they expand, they become less dense. Objects with less density float upwards. The air above the radiator in my lounge warms up, becomes less dense, and rises. As it reaches the ceiling, it spreads sideways, pushing the colder air out of the way. Cold air is forced downwards and runs along the floor towards the radiator. The radiator heats the air, making it less dense, and it rises. I'm sure you can see where this is going. The cycle is called a convection current, and it transfers energy all around your house. When the sun shines on the earth, it gets warmer. This causes the air to rise. As the air rises, the air is pulled along the ground to replace it. This is called the wind. I like the wind. It blows at my fur, turns my ears inside out, and makes the leaves fly everywhere so I can chase them. Sometimes I like to stand in the garden and bark at the wind. It's a nice change from barking at my own shadow. Right, I'll catch you later. I think it's time for a snooze.